the August 18th behavioral model meeting. And I'm wondering if anyone has pull requests they wanted to cover today. I can pull up the project. Oh, we still have people joining. Let me finish this up. Hi, Andy.
Good day.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, keeping busy, which unfortunately means not attending many dash meetings. I'm just.
Oh, that's okay. I pop into the.
I kibitz every now and then.
Yeah, yeah. I pop into yours sometimes too on Mondays.
Yeah, well, you're welcome.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and share my screen on all this stuff. Go. So did anyone have a PR? Oh, more people are waiting. Here's Reshma. So did anyone have a PR or something they wanted to cover today out of the project?
This is Mukesh. I have a couple of PRs, but yeah, this is same as what Chris brought up yesterday.
Okay,
Just a reminder that those need to be reviewed.
Okay, and so yesterday, do you want to pull them up yourself or I can do it here? It was number 193, 187, 194, the outbound pipeline packet test, the default drop support, and that one?
Yeah, 187 and 193, but I think we've gone over those. Just a reminder.
Okay, do we want to have a thought maybe if they sit there for a week or a week and a half, we just go ahead and approve them?
Would be good to have like Marian take a look once.
Yeah, hold on. I need to review them. The problem is that I was working on the API side. There is one thing that we found with the Sonic software that still requires further changes, and I'll get to those pull requests after that. So we are wrapping up on the API changes. And Friday, Monday, I'll start reviewing those pull requests that are still outstanding.
Okay. Does that work for you, Mukesh?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And Marian, you fixed this one the other day.
Yeah.
I had suggested that a test case be written. It's optional, but it'd be good practice for us if we get features enabled to do so, have a starting point. Marian, do you feel not needed, or it's just coming?
As I said, I see another change to the API coming, so it's not really useful to do the use case now, because then I'll need to rename again a few things.
Oh, I see. I didn't interpret your comment correctly. So what you're saying is doing a test now is just going to result in more churn. You'd rather.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't read it that way. Thanks for clarifying. Let me just resolve that conversation.
Yeah, so what we are trying to work with Prince towards is having a stable API, and we are like 2 commits away. One is this one, another one I'll raise after. And then it will be much easier to write tests for VNet because we know that the APIs won't change.
So I don't think my comment was actually anything that was requesting change. I just was sort of a side comment, but it does look like there's a comment thread that requires resolving before this can pass. There's actually several comments, right? Comments, if you go up to where it says reviewed 7 days ago, there's a whole series of them, right? If anyone requests changes, it blocks the PR. So we need to somehow clean those up or clear them if possible.
There isn't anything else,
No,
like the change request from anyone else on this PR.
It says change requested. One change requested. Ha, mine. It doesn't show up that. Okay, I'm going to write approve changes. It's not clear from the rest of the UI, so I've cleared that. That's where these meetings are good.
Yeah,
Keep the wheels turning.
right.
So if anyone else wants to review or has any comments they want to add or whatever, it'd be good so Marian can push this forward.
Just making notes while we're talking. So we're a couple of PRs away from the stable Sonic API, and then we can move forward with approving these other PRs. Is that right? Brian?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Okay, cool. So let's see here. Did anyone else want to comment on their items here in the list, or we had the P4 bug tracking issues here?
So 29 is also handled in my PR.
Okay.
So Marian, looks like Chris's changes already had this one. And all I had to do was just remove a line. Maybe when you take a look at my PR, the one for the drop handling.
Yeah.
On track. Okay.
Yeah, we pretty much closed the loop on all the side PTF changes, and we're using the Intel dev branch, which has all the patches to PTF.
So these should just stay in on track status until we close those out.
Yeah, I think 32 can be closed. Marian's PR is addressing that one.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. Thanks. Okay. Nothing else on these three? Okay. Sorry. Yeah. And are we still working on the connection tracking?
If it's related to me, then yes. It's pending still all the work with the APIs, and I'll be able to move to connection tracking.
Okay.
Does that refer to the BMV2 enhanced version? Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's status quo from last week, meaning that you were giving us updates, kind of a high-level updates of that. Okay.
And everyone understood the two that Mario opened last week for the right back table entries and the sequence number tracking? So these are in the backlog, but everyone agree with these?
I just had sorry, I've not been attending Dash meetings for a while,
Yeah,
so I could be
no
out of date. But Mario's question on the sequence number tracking made me wonder: has the Dash group decided that is the sequence number tracking something needed for every packet, or is it for the like fin and reset packets only?
I think it's needed for SYN and FIN.
Okay, so it could be a couple of packets per connection for its lifetime, not every single data packet.
Right,
Okay,
that's right.
thanks.
And make a quick comment there. Okay, great. So we don't have that picked up yet, but that's all I had. I can stop presenting. Does anyone else have something they want to present? Okay, well then I can give time back today. If you guys would like.
And I'll get some coding done.
Yep, exactly.
Thank
Sounds
you.
good.
Okay.
Okay, and yeah, guys, you can always reach out to me in email if you need to. I'll go ahead and stop the recording. And put it on
Thanks.
YouTube, etc.